Over at the property, checking pipes. Just making sure everything good. I turned the heat on. So there's no heat on in this building. How is that, a bird? Damn. It's a bird in here. Oh, man. So 90%. Everything's good. No water is bust or no pipes are bust, anything like that. But that's the deal with it. I'll check upstairs, make sure there's no roof penetration. See the little stuff in the back room. Go upstairs to the third level. Third level. Take care of that. Rubber's right here as well. There's windowsill. Like somebody did some sweeping up here. Maybe when they fix that thing outside. But yeah, so you may want to check that out. Alright, good thing about it, there's no pipe burst from the snowstorm. So thank goodness for that. I'm out.